am going to be showing you guys how to do a high ponytail with braiding hair, but it's with a little twist, okay? A little twist, you know what I'm talking about? And 2 curly pieces in the front. Now, I skipped the basics in showing you guys, like, you know, how to pick your hair up in the little top knot bun. Then you're gonna take out 2 pieces of hair. 2 pieces, because these gonna be right here. 2 inches. Okay, them gonna be right there. So, first thing first. Shoot. Okay, so first things first, you're going to need braiding hair, of course. I took out that long braid I had in my head from my previous video that you guys should go check out. It's gonna be like right here or right there, one of those. But I took it out, kind of still in good condition. I'm going to cut it in half, cut this in half, and then I'm going to show you what to do next. I do have another pack of braiding hair just in case this one isn't good enough. So grab you some scissors, cut it down the middle. Down the middle is going to look like this. Then out of those 2 that you took out, I'm going to just grab some hair like this much, separate it a little bit, you know, make it not so cut straight across. And then what I'm going to do is grab a perm rod. I have 2 different colors. I have the creamsicle color and I have the dark orange color. I'm gonna be alternating between the 2. Really doesn't matter. You could do the same thing, you could do different sizes, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to start off with the creamsicle color, and I'm just going to wrap this around the perm rod like so. And then just lock it and set it to the side. So I'm going to do like a whole bunch of these repeatedly. Okay, so let me show you again. Grab a good amount of hair, make it not so even, grab a perm rod, start wrapping the hair. Just gonna wrap that beginning end in so it doesn't get left out, you know what I'm saying? And you're just gonna twist it on there. Okay, and you lock it in place. So I'm going to finish some more, and then once I finish those I'm going to show you what's the next step. So I went on ahead and I did 15 of these. Now I'm going to put them in hot water to boil. And as far as these 2 pieces, I want to see if I put them in flexi rods, and then when I put these in, will it blend? A little bit of mousse, literally like a little bit, because it's just those 2 pieces. easy. Let's go take these perm rods with the hair into some hot boiling water. Okay, so I have them boiling now, and what you want to do is let them sit for like 5 to 10 minutes. This I'm going to blow dry when I blow dry those after I take them out. Once you carefully take out the perm rods out of the boiling hot water, you're going to then put them in a towel, let them sit in the towel for a little bit. I would say like 2 to 3 minutes. Try to like soak up as much water as possible, and you're going to take a blow dryer and you're going to dry the hair. Alright, so I did go ahead and unraveled one, and this is what the curl looks like. Really cute, bouncy and springy, how I want it. I'm going to go ahead and unravel the rest. I have everything unraveled. Now this is the fun part. You're going to stick the needle through your hair, grab any one of the curls of the hook open, lock it, put it through, and then make a knot. Okay, so it's going to look like this. Alright, and just do that throughout the whole bun. Now, for the fun part, we're going to start unraveling it and making it have some volume. So, once you have everything separated to your liking, I don't want to fluff it out too much because I don't want it to get frizzy. This is braiding hair, so you gotta be very careful. But overall, it's coming out cute. What I would suggest is a couple bobby pins, so let me grab some of those. And basically, I'm just going to like create volume, like more volume, how I would like it. And then right here, scissor time, scissor time. I love scissors, so I'm just gonna go in, chop right here, chop right there. Yeah, it looks so cute, and I haven't even taken these flexi rods out yet. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is, I saved one last flexi rod. I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to separate it. Just like one little piece, like so. And I'm going to tie a little knot right there. So Oh, hell no. Okay. Let's try this one more time. Oh shoot, I don't know what I just did. But whatever I did. So, this piece is the leftover. Oh my gosh. I got an even better idea. I'm gonna push these bad boys into the hair, this little bit of hair, grab the crochet needle, stick it in right here, hook it, pull it through, and we're gonna tie a little knot. We're gonna cut this little piece off. Why did I not think of this earlier? Probably y'all was saying it to yourselves like, why don't you just crochet it like everything else, right? I don't know, you know, some people do things the hard way. Gotta figure things out. Finally, so just stick a couple bobby pins in there. But let me know what y'all think. I think this is a crochet bun tutorial. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like this style? Do you think it's cute? Yeah, let me know in the comments section below. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and most of all, don't forget to share the video and turn on your post notification bells to be notified when I upload a new video. Yeah, I'm really feeling this. This is cute. This is cute. All right, y'all. Muchos besitos.